5 best credit repair companies. So what are those? Let me explain you. What do credit repair companies do? Okay. Credit repair companies help fix errors on your credit report and improve your credit score. So the question is, how do credit repair companies work, right? So they review your credit report, identify errors and dispute them with the credit bureaus. So what are the top credit repair companies? Some of the top credit repair companies include Lexington Law, okay, and Sky Blue Credit. You can do your own research, okay, on this. So how much do credit repair companies cost? Costs are vary, but most companies charge a monthly fee around $79 to $129 and sometimes an initial setup fee. A lot of people ask, is it worth hiring a credit repair company? The answer is yes. If you have errors on your credit report that are hurting your score, a credit repair company can help you. Can help, definitely. So, can I repair my credit myself? The answer is yes, absolutely yes. You can dispute errors on your credit report yourself, but a credit repair company can save you time and effort. That's the only difference. So, how long does credit repair takes? Credit repair can take several months to a year or more, depending on the complexity of the issues. So what are some red flags to watch out for in credit repair companies? So be wary of companies that promise quick fixes, charge upfront fees, or have poor customer reviews. So are credit repair companies legitimate? Reputable credit repair companies are legitimate and can help you improve your credit score. So the next question is, how can I choose the best credit repair company for me? So what you do is research companies, read reviews and compare prices and services to find the best fit for your needs. So for more updates, like, share and subscribe.